So let's go ahead and do a couple of one-step equations. Let's look at some algebraic equations that are one-step. So let's say that x plus 4.39 is equal to 45. What do? Well, the first thing I have to do is just simply subtract 4.39 from each side. So if I have x plus 4.39 and minus 4.39, it's going to negate it on the left side. And on the right side, what I'm going to be left with is 40.61. So I'll just be left with x on the left side and the answer 40.61 on the right side once I subtract 4.39 from 45. Let's look at another example here of a one-step equation. Let's say I have negative 3 over 5. So I have negative 3/5 v, and that's the variable, is equal to 18. What would I do in this situation when negative 3/5 v is equal to 18? Well, I have to divide both sides by negative 3/5. And when you divide by a fraction, you have to invert it. So essentially it's going to turn into a multiplication problem. So I'll invert this and have negative 5 over 3 times negative 3/5, which is going to negate those two numbers there. And on the right-hand side, I have to do the exact same thing. I have negative 5 over 3 times 18. And what that's going to leave me with is just v on the right side, and it's going to leave you with negative 30 as the answer, because 18 times negative 5 is going to be 90, and that's going to be 90 over 3, and it's going to be a negative, obviously, which will give us a negative 30.